Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts until 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mendon and Milford, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Franklin, North Attleboro, Milford, Stoughton, Attleboro, Walpole, Mansfield, Easton, Norton, Sharon, Foxborough, Bellingham, Holliston, Medway, Norfolk, Wrentham, Blackstone, Plainville, Millis, and Mendon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.